Welcome back. Garbage menace at vegetable market in Vasco has become a major worry for the vegetable vendors. The municipality appointed contractor has not lifted the garbage since past more than 10 days. The agitated vendors complained that the contractor has raised collection fees from 30 to 100 rupees but does not lift the garbage. This is the mess at the vegetable market in Vasco. The garbage is lying here since 10 days now. Here is a take of vegetable vendors.
आमचे सीख पडटाले सगळे लोक वास्कोचे सीख पडटाले मार्केटाचे
मार्केट म्युनिसिपालिटी पर मंथ 30 रुपीज घेता असले आता त्यांनी कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाक दिले त्यांनी 100 रुपये घेता आणि कचरा घ्यायच्या पहली एक महीना पहली त्यांनी 100 रुपये काढले
पहला अभी म्युनिसिपालिटी आता म्युनिसिपालिटी अच्छा कचरा उठा को लेके जाता था डेली का डेली जाता था बराबर आता वो अभी पूरा इधर पेंडिंग पड़ा कस्टमर भी नहीं आता है सब दुकान वाले को बास मार रहा है कचरा उठाने वाला कोई नहीं इधर म्युनिसिपालिटी नहीं है या कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वाला भी नहीं है
बहुत मक्खी बैठल है कौन गिराक लेने वाला है कचरा है गंदगी है इधर से
कोई नहीं आता
When Prudent questioned the municipality officials, all agreed to the fact that the garbage is not being collected regularly by the contractor and action will be taken.
गाडी आमची असा तरी सुद्धा कचरो उडना तिचेर एक्शन जावपाक जाय
आम्ही कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराकडे दिला आणि ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर येऊन व्हरात ना ते कचरो अशें आतां कंप्लेंट येत आसा आमच्याकडे समजा कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराकडे दिला आम्ही जाल्यार डे टू डे कचरो कलेक्ट करपाक समजा तेंच्याकडे जायना जाल्यार तेंच्यानी आपूण जायना आमकां सांगपाक जाय आमचे सॅनिटरी इन्स्पेक्टर आसता एमए आसता आमचे इंजिनियर तांकां सांगपाक जाय
कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर जे कोण आसा ताका आपूण हाडून आमी तेजेर कितें एक्शन घेवपाचें तें पळयता.
For now, the solution to the garbage menace in the Vasco market seems not in sight. Dishant Parab for Prudent. The All India Football Federation is not thinking about a merger of the successful Indian Super League with its most important regular season feature, that is the I-League. AIFF Vice President Srinivas Tempo, who is also a co-owner of ISL semi-finalist FC Goa, has maintained that the ISL will remain a private tournament in AIFF season calendar. The AIFF is, however, interested in corporate boost to the second division I-League clubs.
ISL is a tournament that has been scheduled or factored in the AIFF calendar as a private tournament. It's a tournament where the AIFF doesn't get directly involved in the management, yet it has to be approved by AIFF because AIFF eventually comes through the football governing system, which is again reporting to AFC and to FIFA. So to answer your question, basically yes, ISL is going to remain an independent league. It is going to be managed by Reliance IMG. It's going to have its own rules and regulations as per that format. And as a window, AIFF will allow it the way it is scheduled. And I think next year also the window that is given is the same, that is September to December. The only change is Fed Cup will be played earlier in July, August. And then it's going to be ISL and then the I-League. I-League is a separate entity and I-League continues to be the mainstay of football league in the country. The I-League also has, as you said, it has got the Premier League and it's got the second division league. There is a lot of interest expressed by corporates. Basically now you know that a new I-League team is being formed, which is Bharat team, which comes from the Kalyani group. So probably the long-term thinking is that the second division clubs, which will then get, based on the promotion relegation, second division clubs which will go into the main league. Probably the wish list is that they should be funded by people who can really sponsor the league or the team, so that the right investment goes and those teams are then developed.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.